In this video, I will show you how to turn on car mode in Spotify. If you find this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. All right, the first thing you need to do is go to your settings app on your mobile device, click into connections, and then click into Bluetooth, and make sure your mobile device is connected to your stereo system inside your car. And then once you've done that, head back and then open up your Spotify app. And then make sure you are logged on to Spotify. And then once you've done that, click onto your user profile and click into settings and privacy. And then scroll near the bottom here and click onto car. And then make sure this is toggled on, keep app open on screen. So what this is going to do, this is going to turn this on and the app will stay up on your screen while you're in car mode. So make sure that is turned on. And then once you've done that, click on car thing, set up and manage your car thing. Click on set up car thing. So what this basically does is Spotify's voice enabled audio player for the car. Just say, hey Spotify, to get all your music and podcasts. So click on set up car thing. So our smart player designed for your drive, just say, hey Spotify, click on begin setup. And what this is going to do is choose a device to be managed by Spotify. So this is going to sync Spotify with your car stereo system and go through the process to set it up.